Here I have REALME C1 and let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. Here you need to find and select other wireless connections. Choose here personal hotspot and let's enable personal hotspot by using that switcher. Hotspot is activated. Now you can tap personal hotspot settings to set up the hotspot. Here you can change the network name, security type, and also the password. Let me just go back. Here you can choose the password. You can also select the IP band. Let's go back, and here you can also see connection management, so you can see some blacklist. You can choose maximum number of connected devices and select data restriction. If you would like to go back and disable the hotspot, let's use this switcher, and the hotspot is disabled. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.